So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix access is denied on your Zarchiver. So let's say you go to your Zarchiver like this and you're trying to open a folder and you're seeing this error message which shows here access is denied. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually fix that. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So if you're coming across this channel for the first time, hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. Alright guys, looking here on the screen is my Zarchiver. If you don't have the Zarchiver app on your device, you can go to your Play Store or App Store like this and search for Zarchiver. So you can go ahead and search for Zarchiver like this, install it on your device, then go ahead and click on open. So moving out from the Zarchiver app like this, let's simply go to our device setting. Now right here, you need to go to this option here where you can see apps. You can see the option of apps right here, or where you can see app management depending on your device. Go ahead and click on app like this. So the next step you need to take is to go ahead and click on the search button at the top right corner. Then go ahead and search for file manager, or you can go ahead and search for file like this. Now looking, you're going to see this first one right here, this files. Click on it like this. So right here at the top right corner, you can see the three dot icon right there. If you click on that and click on uninstall update like this, you need to go ahead and click on OK. Now it says here uninstalling updates. So going back right here to the app, if you click on storage like this, you can see that you've been able to clear both the cache and the data. So going back right here, let's go ahead and click on my files as well. If you click on that right here, you just need to scroll gently like this and click on storage. Then go ahead and click on clear cache, and also go ahead and click on clear data. Then click on delete. Now go ahead and click on for stop. So you need to move out on this place as well, and then go ahead and search for Zarchiver. Click on Zarchiver like this, then go ahead and click on for stop. Then go ahead and click on storage, click on clear cache, and also click on clear data. So now let's simply clear all app from background and go to the Zarchiver app. Then go ahead and click on allow notification and click on OK. So right here, let's say you go to Android like this and click on any of this folder. Let's say you go ahead and click on media like this and click on any of the folder right here. You're going to see the option is showing you right here, which is folder is empty. So this is how simple it is to fix access denied on Zarchiver. If you are facing this problem, just follow the steps strictly and you're going to be able to solve the problem. Now like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful tips and tutorials like this. See you in the next one.